Please do subscribe and tap on the bell icon for new notifications.
Welcome back to Srijana in Me. Today in this video I am going to show you how to stitch bullion flowers with normal needle using anchor thread. First lay the fabric and place a bangle and draw inner circle. In this circle I am going to stitch bullion flower. To stitch this flower, basically we need to follow 3 steps. Step 1. In this step I am stitching 2 lines or 2 petals with 6 loops. Firstly poke the needle up and place this needle like this and add 6 loops to the needle. Now pull the needle up, then petal will look like this. Once if we poke it down, then the petal will not move here and there. It will correctly stick to the cloth. In the same way I will stitch second petal, then I will move to the second step. In this second step, I will stitch 3 lines or 3 petals with 10 loops. In this step, take the needle up adjacent to end of the petal. Now place the needle like this and add 10 loops to the needle and pull it up. Make sure when you poke the needle down, this petal should touch to the other 2 petal edges. In the same way I will stitch other 2 petals. Then I'll move to the third step. In the third step, I will stitch 6 lines or 6 petals with 12 loops. Here I will take the needle up adjacent to the center of the petal and place the needle like this, and I will add 12 loops to the needle. Here make sure this petal is touching to the other 2 petal edges. In this way I will stitch other 5 petals. This pattern you can try on blouses, kurtis and chudidars. I have stitched for my kurti, the link is above. Finally, around this flower, I will stitch small beads using cotton thread. After stitching beads, final output will be like this. Thanks for watching. Please do like, share and subscribe.